I will today make a general overview of the main topic today, which is the final demonstration of Omicron within the A1 in Italy, hosted by Autostrade per l'Italia. In this respect, as all of you know, I am or most of you know, but for the newcomers, I am the project coordinator of Omicron, and I work within the R&D department of CEMOSA. Well, most of you know the background of the project, but for the newcomers and as a refresher, the objective of Omicron is the development of an intelligent road asset management platform, which is based on 4 main pillars, including, first of all, the development of digital inspection tools, including drones, vehicle inspection vehicles, and V2X communications. On a second pillar, we have the development of a road digital twin connected to a decision support tool in order to improve the way in which we plan maintenance using AI and optimization techniques. And on a fourth area, we have the development of smart construction and intervention solutions, including the development of a robotic modular platform, the adaptation of machinery to the digital era, and the use of AR and VR. The objective of Omicron is to be oriented to market and to push technologies towards TRL7 and then to road market. So this is the reason why we have put emphasis on the EAV events and on your feedback. So I therefore would like to thank you for following us both today and in the previous sessions along this trip. So we hope you enjoy the information we share today, and we hope you can follow us in the next final event. So as I was saying, our goal was to push technologies to market readiness level. So we started with experimental proofs of concepts and small tests, and we achieved TRL7 with system prototypes demonstration in operational environments. How do we prove this? This is based on Omicron's demonstration methodology, in which, as I said, we started in a first stage with preliminary testing at TRLs 4 and 5, so at in-lab tests. We then moved on to a stage 2 for technical demonstration in TRLs 5 to 7. This was the content of the previous External Advisory Board. But today we will be presenting stage 3 for final demonstration at TRL 7, which was held in September 2024. And it was supported, as you know, by Autostrade per l'Italia, hosted by Autostrade per l'Italia in the A1 in Florence to Bologna. Thereby, this demonstration in the A1, in this section from Florence to Bologna, allowed us to test our digital inspection tools, our road digital twin, our decision support tool, and our smart construction and intervention solutions, including the robotic modular platform. However, this journey for demonstration has not been easy, and it has been very well supported by Autostrade per l'Italia throughout the way. The final demonstration, to put you into context, took place between the 9th and the 13th of September of this year, but this needed a very long preparation of more than 1 year, including permits, safety training, schedulings, support, the development of supporting teams, logistics involving robotics, drones, etc., and the coordination of a team of more than 22 people. We also had rain, late deliveries, etc. So real conditions striked, and let's say we were far from laboratory testing. During this week, after all the preparation, we started with safety training courses, visual surveys, and planning of the week. On Tuesday, we were able to do several tests on multi-UAV, the robotic modular platform oriented to signaling, point peaks, the vehicle inspection system, and also to do interviews. On Wednesday, we demonstrated long-range UAV, also the cones placement with the robotic modular platform, as well as V2X and VR training. On Thursday, we kept demonstrating the robotic modular platform on safety barriers, as well as the AR and VR tools, other digital tools, and the interviews. And on Friday, we closed with the last action with the robotic modular platform, unpacking everything and coming back home. Today, we will give a grasp of our outcomes here, and I will briefly summarize each of the tests in different areas. So we will start with the demonstration of a multi-UAV inspection system in the Sette Fonti, which was performed in the Sette Fonti viaduct in the A1. This was led by University of Seville. And we were, in this demonstration, we had to set up a scenario, systems and procedures. We had to prepare the flights and the communication systems. And we executed several flights, also coordinated with the other drones provided by our partners from CATEC, where all this information was used to reconstruct a model for the bridge to be integrated in OMICRON's platform. The results from this area will be, sorry, I'm gonna silence. The results will be presented in session 1 by José Luis Andrade. In a second, let's say, group of demonstration actions, we have the long-range inspections, which were deployed in Puliana and Sette Fonti areas in the A1 again by CATEC. Again, we had to set up a scenario, systems and safety. We prepared the long-range flights from CATEC. We executed several flights with traffic and with the relevant safety procedures. And we also constructed a model to be integrated into our platform. These results will be presented in session 1 by Francisco Javier Pérez Grau. In a third group of demonstrations, we have Point Peaks vehicle inspection system and the V2X system. Again, demonstrated in Puliana and Sette Fonti, led by University of Cambridge and Indra for Point Peaks and V2X. And in this case, we demonstrated the inspection vehicle at different speeds, also at different locations, in this case in Puliana and Sette Fonti. We tested a V2X communication system, which had already been deployed in the A2 in Spain in Technical Demonstrator 2. And this information was integrated into OMICRON's platform. These results will be presented in session 1 by Alvin Matthew, and also OMICRON's platform will be presented in session 2 by Nuria, Balast, Paula, and Alice. Last but not least, in a fourth group of demonstration, we have the robotic modular platform and the VR and AR technologies, which were deployed in the Puliana maintenance area in the A1 by Techniker and LMS. The demonstration of the robotic modular platform involved, in this case, several actions, as you know, not all of the ones that we have in the projects, including the installation of signals, the installation of safety barriers, the cone setup and removal, the cleaning of signals, and the support of these actions by VR and AR technologies. Again, the results will be presented today in session 1 by Ander and Themis with further detail on the outcomes. And at this stage, we are progressing from demonstration to impact analysis, as you know, following the 4 main KPIs of Omicron, including the reduction of fatal accidents, the reduction of traffic disruptions due to maintenance works, the decrease in routine maintenance costs, and the increase in network capacity. Furthermore, all your feedback will be collected anonymously and will be used for this in this impact assessment of the project. So we are very thankful for you to be able to attend our external advisory board events, and in particular the one today. And we, as Jesus already said, we would love to invite you to our final event, which will be a physical meeting in Madrid called All Roads New Technologies, Safe and Intelligent Road Asset Management, coordinated with Infrarob and Heron, our sister projects. And this will be on the 16th of January 2025.